All right, some of the greatest businesses start in the smallest places. Just ask my guests now. They run Techno Media, a business that started in a dorm room, I'm told. Managing director is with me, Brian Willis, right beside me, and beside Brian is director Paul Bailey. Morning to you both.
Morning,
welcome to Smile Jamaica. What do you mean it started in a dorm room? Explain that.
Well, it's originally the idea stemmed from when I was in high school, Harrison Moore High School in Montego Bay. Was just editing, got to university, met a few friends, saw that we all had different skills that could really put together and really be beneficial. So Techno Media started in a dorm room in university, Northern Caribbean University.
So you were all techies kind of thing?
Not necessarily techies, but we all had our own skills from our different areas.
And all right, so tell me at the time, what was your particular skill at the time?
My particular skill at the time was graphic design and video editing.
And Paul, yours?
Taking pictures.
You're a photographer?
Yes, sir.
Let me know, can do that too. So hence, Techno Media.
Techno Media.
What is Techno Media, now that you've told me how it started?
Techno Media is a one-place shop where businesses can get their technological needs and media needs met. For example, website design, application development, if you want a mobile app, if it's in the tech area and you think your business will need it, then you can come to Techno Media. If you need poster designs, video production, promotional videos, anything related to media, we can do it as well.
But having said that, Paul, so it doesn't have to be a technological kind of
sir.
company.
No, sir.
So you just need to show me, say, well, you can expose your company a little more by doing this and doing that and doing this.
That's correct.
So where you start? So I start a company, I sell bicycle or something. I say I want some help. Where you start? What you tell me?
Well, we used to have events at school, like banquets, and we started out with this small, the small digital cameras. Used to go down there and play around and take pictures. And then eventually, one of our brethren gave us a bigger camera, and we still continue doing that, and here we are now.
Yeah. So you're kind of consultants, kind of for companies type of thing, or no?
Not necessarily consultants. If a business wants something that we don't provide, we'll act as a consultant in that area, so
Okay.
we'll source it.
Okay. In preparing for this, it says our main goal is to be a one-stop shop for businesses.
A one-stop shop, yes.
Which is different from just being a techie kind of thing, or in that area you mean everything technology?
In that area, everything technological-wise.
Okay. Give me something specific. What would you tell someone starting a company? Give me something specific. How you get them out there type of thing, which is what you do, right?
Yes.
Yeah, how you get them out there.
Good content speaks. And we have experience, we have the people, the right people that are working with us to ensure that once we get something done, once we start to create something for you, it's what you want and it's geared to what you want to accomplish. So we don't necessarily just take the work and say, all right, here is the end product. We get our clients involved in the entire process. We talk to them about what is your main goal, stuff like what is your target audience, what end of result do you want to get from us giving you this product.
Okay. The other surprise I found in preparing for this, that one of your clients is this company, the Gleaner.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yes.
So what you do for us?
We did a few posters that were sent out in editorial.
Oh, see, you're a big thing, youth, man. I don't want to relate to you. Me and him related. National Youth Service, Land Surveyors Association. So things working for you.
Yes, so far.
How difficult was it to start this? Because, you talk to young people about starting a business, them can't get loans, them don't have an office space. How difficult was it for you to get things running?
Regarding the graphic design, the video production side, since we had the skills ourselves, the capital, not much capital was needed in terms of in getting the work done. However, when it came on to getting the video equipment, that is where we had some challenges. But over the years, we took our time, we stayed focused, And little by little, we put together until we build our arsenal of equipment.
How long? 3 years you've had the business?
Yeah,
How
about
long?
3 years now, yes.
And you've won some awards, which I'm quite impressed with. Best animation, best public service announcement, best TV commercial from the Lignum Vitae Film Festival competition.
Yes, that's right.
So you are where you want to be.
Not yet. We're getting there, we're getting there.
Yeah? How can you be found? Someone wants you to help with the company. How can you be found?
Okay, we have Instagram, Techno_media, and we have our website is Techno Media Studios.
Yeah. You mentioned Montego Bay. That's where the company is now?
Yes, physically yes, but since every type of business we do, we're
You can
online.
service,
Yeah,
you
the
can
service
service
anywhere,
the entire
it's
country.
online.
Yeah, man, I'm impressed. And good luck, man.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks, sir.
You don't look like you need it because you guys are going on in. But good luck, man. Good luck. Great story. From Techno Media, Managing Director Brian Willis and Director Paul Bailey. Good to meet you both.
Yes, sir.
Respect. Soon come.